Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring a current backup and a charger connected. Don't skip that. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network so downloads won't fail. Now open the Apple menu and choose System Preferences, then Software Update. This scans for available macOS and firmware updates. You check the list of updates and read the short release notes to understand changes. If asked, agree to restart permissions so the process can apply system files cleanly. You select Update Now or click More Info to pick particular updates. This matters if you want only security patches. Once the download starts, watch the progress and avoid heavy network use because builds can be multiple gigabytes. Make sure you leave the lid open and the charger attached. Mac OS may need an uninterrupted session. If prompted, agree to terms and enter your admin password. You can schedule a restart for a convenient time if you prefer not to interrupt your work immediately. You let the Mac restart and complete installation. This can take 20 to 60 minutes depending on update size. Once booted, reopen Software Update to verify it reports your Mac is up to date, and check System Preferences for any remaining updates. If an app behaves oddly, restart once more and update apps from the App Store. If the update fails or hangs, boot into safe mode by holding Shift at startup and retry the update. This isolates extensions and often resolves
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.